Welcome to the Biotech Signals series of the Micromolar podcast. Today is Tuesday, July 7th, 2026.
Vertex is acquiring Crinetics in a $10 billion deal, marking the biggest transaction in the company's history and a major expansion into endocrinology. The move gives Vertex a new commercial growth opportunity beyond its traditional strengths.
Anthropic is moving deeper into life sciences with Claude Science, a platform designed specifically for biopharma research. The company is also launching its own drug programs, signaling that AI companies increasingly want to become drug developers rather than just technology providers.
Scribe Therapeutics is moving toward the public markets to fund its genetic medicine pipeline. The IPO will serve as an important signal of whether investors are ready to support earlier-stage science companies again, after years of favoring lower-risk assets.
Boehringer Ingelheim acquired a viral vector platform aimed at expanding its cancer vaccine capabilities. The deal strengthens the company's early oncology research strategy as interest grows around next-generation immune-based cancer treatments.
Compass reported that its psilocybin-based depression therapy continued showing benefits over a longer treatment period. The durability data strengthens the argument that psychedelic medicines could become meaningful options in difficult-to-treat mental health conditions.
Bristol Myers' KRAS inhibitor, crizotinib, failed to outperform chemotherapy in a confirmatory colorectal cancer study. The setback creates new questions around the drug's competitive position and future growth potential.
Genentech cuts jobs while signing $490 million breast cancer collaboration with Aztecs. The move reflects a broader industry pattern where companies are reducing internal costs while still investing heavily in external innovation.
Calahexis is preparing to go public to support development of obesity therapies designed to challenge today's GLP-1 leaders. The move shows investors and companies are already searching for what comes after the current generation of weight loss drugs.
Roche entered a deal with Aztecs that begins with a smaller upfront payment, but carries broader strategic importance. The partnership highlights Roche's continued push to strengthen its oncology pipeline, especially in breast cancer.
BridgeBio is emphasizing new kidney-related benefits for Atribie as it looks to stand apart from rival amyloidosis treatments. The update shows how companies are increasingly competing through differentiated clinical profiles rather than approvals alone.
Hair loss biotech Veradermics has surged more than 600% since going public. The company credits part of the momentum to connections with the broader obesity and metabolic health boom.
Sandoz is experimenting with selling its growth hormone biosimilar Omnitrope directly to consumers. The approach could signal a shift in how drug makers think about access, distribution, and patient relationships.
A new analysis highlights 5 molecular glue programs that could become major therapeutic opportunities. The field remains highly competitive as companies search for the next breakthrough after traditional targeted therapies.
Myra GTX entered a royalty agreement as companies continue exploring alternatives to traditional fundraising. These types of transactions allow biotechs to access capital while managing ownership and future revenue.
A French gene therapy company secured $33 million to pursue a development approach modeled after Crystal Biotech. The financing shows continued interest in targeted gene therapy companies with focused strategies.
FDA reviewers raised concerns about broader access to several compounded peptide products. The debate highlights ongoing tension between patient demand, safety oversight, and alternative drug supply pathways.
Those are all the biotech signals for today. Thanks for tuning in to the Micromolar podcast.